Got some bears here swimming with me. Oh wow. Do you guys mind if I hang out here and watch you guys? If you do, rip that branch in half. If you have a problem with me being here. If not, let it go. Oh, if he breaks it, I gotta go. Oh no, he's putting out. He let it go. Wow, this is awesome. Don't worry about me. Yeah, I'm gonna quit talking.